Good morning, everyone. It's a beautiful day in Jacksonville. It's like 60 degrees right now. I'm here at my open house. I'm here at this open house, as you can see. My sign's back there. I'm here at this open house in Mandarin. 10759 Losco Junction Drive. This is a really nice house. The owner did some pavers. House was just painted last weekend, and it was deep cleaned yesterday. So as you can see, the pavers, this really gives it a really nice feel. These pavers, they look amazing. So I wanted to do this quick video here. I'm at this open house. You can see my open house there in the mailbox. Sunny day in Jax. It's a beautiful day though, so I hope you guys can make it out. 10759 Losco Junction Drive here in Mandarin, in the heart of Mandarin. Very quiet subdivision, as you can see. Really quiet neighborhood. Really desirable. Really nice. It's a 3-2. Almost 1,700 square feet. Lot size is 6969, and 1649 is the living area. So I'll be here till 2:30 if you guys want to come by. Constantino the broker, 904-452-3895. Se habla español.